Hello. Today, we will explore the single crochet stitch, likely the most frequently utilized stitch throughout your crochet journey. Simple crochet is ideal for sustainable apparel, amigurumi, blankets, and a variety of accessories. In the previous video, we explored the slip knot and the chain stitch. Today, we will expand upon those fundamentals to introduce this new stitch. Begin with 10 chain stitches. Ensure that you crochet into the first stitch on the hook, avoiding the second. Insert your hook into the second stitch, draw the yarn from back to front, resulting in 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Congratulations, you have completed your first single crochet. Again, insert, grasp the yarn, create 2 loops, lift the yarn, and pull it through both. Single crochet into each chain stitch until reaching the end of the row. Maintain tension on the yarn, ensuring it is taut but not rigid. Upon reaching the end, to initiate the subsequent row, chain, rotate your work, and repeat the procedure. Observe that each single crochet forms a compact V shape. This will facilitate the identification and counting of stitches. Do not pull the yarn too tightly, as this will hinder the insertion of the hook. Additionally, refrain from leaving any loose stitches, as this will result in uneven knitting. You have now mastered the single crochet technique. Continue practicing, and you will soon be capable of creating complete pieces. Subscribe to track your progress, step by step.